From the world leader in COVID-19 testing solutions, a new CE-IVD-marked test is now available. With the overlap of flu season and the novel coronavirus outbreak, it is vital that clinical and public health labs have access to a single test that can simultaneously detect RNA from multiple respiratory viruses. To help meet the demand for respiratory testing during the overlap of COVID-19 and the flu season, the new Applied Biosystems TaqPath COVID-19 Flu A/B RSV Combo Kit is now CE marked and available for use. Detect and differentiate COVID-19, influenza, and respiratory syncytial virus with this single, highly sensitive and specific real-time PCR diagnostic test. Thermo Fisher Scientific is striving to supply the tests you need to meet respiratory testing demand during flu season. Trust the TaqPath COVID-19 Flu A/B RSV Combo Kit. Visit thermofisher.com/COVID-19 flu RSV to learn more.